This is Catherine from Accelerated Reader. Today I'm going to be reading Galactic Giggles, Far Out and Funny Jokes About Outer Space. How is a hockey player like a comet? They are both shooting stars. How do you get a baby astronaut to sleep? You rock it. What kind of songs do astronauts sing? Neptunes. Where do astronauts leave their spaceships? At parking meters. How did the rocket lose its job? It got fired. What did the astronauts make for dinner? An unidentified flying object. Why are astronauts always so clean? Because of all the meteor showers. How do astronauts relax? They read comet books. What special dessert is found in every rocket ship? An astronaut float. How did the Martians serve dinner in outer space? On flying saucers. What is found at the center of Jupiter? The letter I. What do you call spacemen who tell lots of jokes? Astronauts. Where does the Martian president live? In the greenhouse. What happened to the astronomer when the telescope fell on his head? He saw stars. What is an astronaut's favorite meal? Lunch. The end. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments below what books you'd like for me to read next. As always, thank you for listening.